What's up YouTube? My name is Vic and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. All right, folks, today we are doing an unboxing. Interesting watch company. I think they've been around since 2017. Micro brand from Singapore, MMI watches. I pre-ordered this watch, maybe back in January. It's either January or February, but I want to say January. They have an interesting spin on what they're calling a pilot's watch. I had never heard of MMI watches until I watched the video from Just One More Watch. Jody's channel put me onto it. I went on the website. I like what I saw. Even though I was still in the pre-order window, I missed the cheaper price. So I did pay a little more for mine than, let's say, he paid for his, because they did their pre-orders in like windows. So I missed a couple windows, but I still got it at a good price. Pretty cool watch. So without me rambling any further, let's get into this unboxing, see what we got. All right, y'all, so I got the box here, I got my blade. I don't play games, we're gonna go right into this. Try to cut this and not damage the box while also trying to hide my address. Right. Okay, we got the packaging. A pretty nice box. Comes in a decent looking box. It's just a sleeve and it comes off. This is their logo, by the way. This is the MMI logo. Oh, that's nice. Wow. I was not expecting that. Comes in a leather watch roll. It may have said that in the description. I don't remember. Honestly, don't remember. So that's a pleasant surprise. This is really nice feeling leather too. Wow. This does feel really nice. Really nice leather. So this is a 3-watch watch roll. I like this. This is more like suede, but this feels really nice. This feels really good. Here you got your, I guess your warranty card. You got to fill this out. All right, and here's the watch. Let's get some unwrap this guy. Oh, wow. Now, I thought I ordered the black one. Maybe I missed that one. This is a 39mm watch. This is really attractive, y'all. Really attractive watch. Oh, I really like this. You can see what they did with the date window is that they moved it to the outside. So the date window's on the outside, and it's the actual date is indicated by that orange marker. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this guy for my size. I'm going to time it correctly. And I'm going to put it on my wrist so you guys see how it looks. I will be right back. All right, guys and girls. So I got it sized up for me. This is a really comfortable watch. It is really comfortable. 39mm, so it's a good size. You know, I don't have the biggest wrist in the world. I say that a lot. Yeah, metal feels nice. The bracelet feels nice. Plenty of micro adjustments on that bracelet. I don't know if you can see how well you can see, but yeah, let me just take it off. Yeah, plenty of micro adjustments on the bracelet. So, you know, getting it to fit right, not a problem. You also get a signed crown. This crown is true down, by the way. I like the case back on this guy. Really cool case back design. Try to get that in the camera there. Yeah. This is called, because I didn't mention it, the name of this watch is the Sky Hunter, the MMI Sky Hunter, and is named after Singapore's first jet fighter, which was the Hawker Hunter. So this is where they basically just named it to kind of honor that fighter plane. I've been to Singapore several times. Beautiful place, beautiful country. I recommend anybody visit there. It's really a nice place to visit. So my experience in Singapore, everything is very clean, very modern, and very well taken care of. So if this watch, being that this is a Singapore-based company, if this company is anything like the rest of the country when it comes to you know, taking pride in their stuff, then I really have high expectations for this guy. Really good design. Watch feels really, really solid. I like that they put a twist on the whole pilot's watch thing. You know, most pilot's watches, they all kind of look the same. But this guy, you know, they weren't afraid to go outside the box. So also the date goes counterclockwise. So the orange goes counterclockwise and it counts down counterclockwise. So that's cool too. Also, you know, you get the milled class. Bracelet I felt a little bit of hair pulls. Not too bad, but I was also kind of trying to size it up and get it right. So maybe it could have just been that. But so far so good with this guy. I did order the black watch, by the way. I did go back and check my order history, and I did order the black version of this. But you know what? I'm not gonna make a big deal about it because I actually like this. The color is really, really nice. So would have been nice to get the one that I actually ordered, MMI. If you're actually watching this, you know, you guys should really send people what they paid for. But yeah, otherwise, not a bad look. Not a bad look. This got shipped about a week ago. Well, pretty much, it was a little overdue. They promised to ship by May 8th. So about a week ago, it was a couple days after the 8th when it shipped. But this actually came to me from Houston. So I don't know if they had like a place where they were just shipping watches to the US and then distributing from there or whatnot. That is very possibly the case. But it got to me today, which is the 16th of May. Obviously, I don't release my videos right away. There is a bit of a delay with my upload schedule. But yeah, let me not ramble too much further. Ladies and gents, that's going to conclude this one. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. A full review on this guy will follow on my channel. Until then, I'll see you on my next one. Peace.